Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how I get the dark and dreamy film only with the CapCut application. So I already prepared the project here, so this video is quite bright here. Let's make this video looks a little bit dark, aesthetics kind of things. So the thing that you have to do is just go take a look on this bottom side. There could be several sections there, so you just need to tap into the effects, or you just need to go tap back and tap into the clip first, and take a look on this bottom side here and swipe into the left side until you got the filters, and then just go tap it. And the next, you just need to find the filters that have a dark mode here, such as this humble right here. So you just need to go tap it, and then you just need to adjust in the intensity of the effects. You can make it like intense, super intense, and just go tap into this checklist button after you're done. So this is what we got. This is before, this is before, and this is after you cut. So it's already have the dark theme looks for the whole video clip. So now we just need to download it by tapping to this side. That's for this tutorial.